On June 20th, 2025, several notable government actions occurred in the state of Ohio across different sectors. 1. Executive Order on Medicaid Hospital Assessment. Governor Mike DeWine signed an executive order allowing the Ohio Department of Medicaid, ODM, to temporarily adopt emergency rules related to the hospital assessment that funds federal Medicaid matching. The order requires ODM to set assessment amounts for fiscal year 2026 in a way that aligns with the indirect hold harmless guarantees from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services under the Social Security Act. This move is part of preparing for the implementation of the new state budget biennium. The America 250 Ohio Commission Budget Update. The America 250 Ohio Commission met and received an update on the budget process. The House and Senate versions of the budget differed. The House proposed $7.75 million for FY26 and $2.5 million for FY27, while the Senate proposed $8.75 million for FY26 and $2 million and two brackets for FY27. Additionally, the Senate removed a $250,000 earmark for the America's River Roots Festival marketing and instead required that the funds be used statewide for grants supporting the U.S. Semiquincentennial. Governor Mike DeWine and Ohio Department of Transportation Director Pamela Boraton announced funding for 24 projects across 12 counties to improve transportation infrastructure aimed at students walking or biking to school. These projects received a total of $7.6 million from ODOT's Routes to School program, which promotes safe and accessible routes for K-12 students. The Ohio Department of Aging issued a public advisory encouraging older Ohioans to prepare for extreme heat conditions as the summer progresses. This action aims to protect vulnerable populations from heat-related health risks and provides resources and guidance via their official website. Ohio State Highway Patrol conducted OVI, operating a vehicle impaired, checkpoints, on June 20, 2025, in Auglaize, Defiance, and Franklin counties to enforce drunk driving laws and promote road safety. Additional context. While not Ohio-specific government action, it is worth noting that there are ongoing developments at the federal level relevant to Ohio's institutions, such as a temporary restraining order issued against the Department of Defense's facilities and administrative F&A cost policy, which potentially impacts federal funding for Ohio State University research programs. This overview captures Ohio's state-level government actions and initiatives specifically dated June 20, 2025, including Medicaid policy adjustments, budget deliberations for historical commemoration, transportation safety investments for students, public health advisories for extreme heat, and highway patrol enforcement activities.